To get the plugin, you can go to Outfitters and you can look for monday.com for SugarCRM in a search bar, and it will give you this page. If you are logged in, you can download it, which will be a zip file. You can use that zip file to upload into your Sugar instance. So there is also documentation here, a video how to do and how to use this plugin. Everything is on the Sugar Outfitter listing. Once you got the plugin in a zip format, you can go to your admin and then module loader page. In module loader, you can put your zip here, upload and install. We already did that. So once you install, it shows up on here where all the installed plugins are. Once that's done, you can go back to your admin area and you need to authenticate your license. So that's under SugarCRM license configuration. This is your key from your Outfitter you can use to validate. Once validated, you can hit continue. Once you validate your license, you will need to put in your Monday token. To get your Monday token, you can go basically under your profile, then admin and API token in monday.com. You can copy that token, paste it here, and then there is a selection of board. So you can choose which board you want to connect your Sugar instance to. In our case, we are connecting it to manufacturing inbox, which is this board here. And then you can do all the column mapping. So columns on the left are your Sugar columns, and then you can map two columns to a column inside monday.com. We already synced two columns here, you can see. But if you choose to sync other column, you don't need to go in Sugar and create that column and then map it. You can simply pick that column here inside this drop down. Say you want to sync type from here. So say there is a type service request maybe. And then if you want to sync that, you don't need to create it in Sugar first. You can simply select it here and click save. Our plugin will automatically create that column inside Sugar. And also will copy all the options. So this was a status column, so it will copy all the options for that column as well. You can basically go to Studio and put those columns in your view if you want to. So you can go to monday.com module, layouts, record view, and then you can put your column in here, save and deploy. Once done, you can go to your Monday module in your Sugar and you can see your records here. This will be your list view, normal list view of Sugar, but it is connected to your instance in monday.com.